Hello, hello again, hello one more time. This is Teacher Al talking. Friends, I'm back. I returned back this morning, not, not just to teach you something, not to tell you something. I'm just came to say I'm deeply sad. Why do people die in Sudan? What is wrong? What did we do badly? If we did something bad, let us know. If any person knows the answers, let us know. Why do people in Sudan die? Why do we die badly? What is wrong with us? So we can correct our mistakes. We can do different things that we used to do. Let us know, why do we die? Honestly, I don't I don't know the answers. Why do we die? Why do we die?